everyone. Welcome to part 2 of the Flame of Open Source. Now before we get started, I just want to let you know that I'm no longer using a Windows machine. I'm using a Mac. Right now I do not have a Windows machine that I can work on. So I apologize for any inconvenience. I know of course Macs and Windows are vastly different. But the commands shouldn't be too different. So hopefully if you're using a different operating system, you won't run into any roadblocks. If you're having trouble, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I was able to go on to the next puzzle. Let's go over here. So here we want to push our changes upstream. So right now we've made our change, but we only have the change, that copy, we only have it inside our computer. We don't have it on the internet. Now, I was having a little trouble, and I wanted to show you this just in case you guys ran into the same issue. Okay, so if you take a look at the help, if you scroll down over here, this is the next command that you have to enter. Git push set upstream origin and the name of your branch, and the name of my branch was new branch. Okay, now I can show you. Let me make this big so you can see. I was able to successfully do that. Okay, I was able to push my changes upstream, but I was having a little trouble because if you see over here, it says it was asking for my password, and it says here support for password authentication was removed, and I have to use a personal access token instead. So my password was not working here. So I had to do something I had to get a personal access token. So how do you do that? So let me show you. So let's open up your GitHub. Okay, so here I am in my GitHub. I'm gonna click here and we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna go to scroll down to developer settings. We're going to go to personal access token, and we're going to have to generate an access token. And as you can see here, I have 2 over here. So you're going to click on generate new token. You're going to name it whatever you'd like. Like I named it TwilioQuest. You can name it whatever you want. Okay. You set the expiration. I put it to 90 days, but again, this doesn't matter. And what you want to do is you want to check off all of these boxes. Okay. Check off everything. Everything is selected. Okay, and then you're going to click on generate token. So I'm not going to click on this because I'm not going to make another token. So once you generate token, it should take you to a page where you have your token. Okay, now I'm going to show you where you're going to paste that in the Mac. Now with the Windows, again, forgive me, I'm not too sure. I believe you have to go to Windows Credentials Manager. Again, really sorry. If you're having trouble, please let me know and I'll try to help you out. But for Mac, this is what we're going to do. You're going to go to the Spotlight search and type in keychain access. Okay. And here, you're going to look for github.com. Okay. Now, when I was looking through this, I did not have github.com, so I added it. Okay. So here, you'll write github.com. Here you're going to write your username. Okay. So my username, I had to make a new one. Okay. And you're going to paste your access token right here. Okay. Not the password that you use to log into GitHub. You're going to paste your access token. Okay. And then you're going to click save. Okay. Once you click save, you should be able to run this. So that's exactly what I had to do. So what I did is I copied and pasted this command here. Okay, this command. I pasted it right here. And when it asked me for my password, I copied the personal access token from the page and I pasted it right here. And it's a long access token. Okay. Once you hit paste and hit enter, hopefully everything goes well. Here we can see that we're successful. Okay, so let's hack. And there you go. Okay, so again, if you're having any trouble, please let me know and I'll try my very best to help you out. So let's continue with this adventure. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna open a pull request. So how do we do that? Okay, the next step, we're gonna have to provide them with a number. Okay, so if you read through all this documentation, this will show you the steps how to get through it. So once I click on this link here, it'll take me to this page. So it's showing me the changes that I've made. I've added this color to this X and Y axis. There's my name, there's my username. And basically I wanna make a pull request. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on create pull request. Let's click on create pull request. And there we go. Here, I believe this is the number that they're looking for. So let me type that in. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, let's see, maybe we can go through here. Yep, this is just a shortcut. Oh, check it out, another chest. Let's see if can we grab this right here. Oh, we gotta find the commit hash. Let's try this. Copy. Open the terminal. And let's paste that in. Okay. Okay, I believe this is what they are looking for. So let's copy that. Let's paste it. Awesome. Okay, cool. And let's see, what else can we do here? All right, let's go back for that treasure chest. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so we're gonna make an open source contribution and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. I'm gonna go and look for my other GitHub. Let's go to users. That's my other GitHub here. And I'm just gonna pick a random repository. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fork this repository. Okay, so once I've created a fork, I have a brand new copy of that repository on my list. And all I'm gonna do is clone this repository. So let's go ahead, let's copy this. Okay, we're gonna open up our terminal. Let's open up a new one. Now I'm gonna CD into my desktop because I'm just gonna put it right, I'm sorry, my documents folder. Because I just wanna have it there. So git clone, and I'm gonna paste what I just copied right there. Okay, you click on code and you copy that. You're gonna clone this copy, it's gonna go right onto your computer. So now that I've just cloned it, let's go find it. So there it is. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, let's go into that repository. Let's CD into it. So I'm gonna go into it. CD is, was it assignment 4? Okay, and now we have to make a new branch. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Gonna write git. We would usually write git branch new branch, but I'm gonna show you how I can make a new branch and immediately check out to it. We'll write git checkout -b for a new branch, and we'll call this our new branch. Okay, there you go. There's our new branch. So now that we have a new branch, let's go ahead and let's open that up. So we're gonna go open. Okay. Now, if you take a look here, it shows that we are on our new branch. So let's make a change. I'm just gonna add a file. We'll write html.index and just type in some, oh, I guess I don't have it there. Well, all right, so it doesn't matter. I have a new file, right? So I'm gonna save it. Let's go ahead and save it. Save all these changes. Save all. So now what I want to do is I want to commit these changes. But if I write git status, status, it's going to show me that I've added a new file. This is the new file that I just added. So I want to go ahead and add that. So I'm going to write git, I believe it's add dot, and that will add everything. Okay. Now I want to write git commit. And I'll type a message -m accept my changes. Oops, I spelled my wrong, but that's okay. Okay, so now once that's done, we're gonna push it upstream, right? So we're gonna write git push origin new branch, because that is the name of the branch that I have made. Okay, so now let's go back into GitHub and notice what we see have popped up here. It says that, hey, there's a new pull request. So let's go ahead and click that. Compare pull request. Okay. And this is basically showing us the changes. We just added that empty .index file. Okay. Let's create pull request. You can write a comment if you want. Okay. And there you go. Now, let's see. What are we going to type in here? Okay, let's open up the chest. Okay, the name of the repository, that's my repository. The name of, the name of the username, okay, the name of the repository, let me go ahead and get that, is assignment 4. This is when I was in school. And the number is number 1. So let's press 1, and hopefully that works. It hasn't been merged yet. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I think I have to accept it. Okay, let me go and accept it. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna open the repository, and here, pull requests. And I have some random person telling me accept me changes. And yeah, sure, why not? I'll accept it. How do I accept it? I don't even know how to accept it. Oh, here we go. So here, merge pull request. So I'm gonna go ahead and accept those changes. Okay, confirm merge, merging, and there we go. So now here I have another contributor, which is me. And let's try this one more time. Hack. Oh, I guess I froze it. All right, I did it. Awesome. So I've completed everything in the forest of open source for now. Let's see if they'll let us through. So it looks like you can only complete that if they go ahead and they accept your request. So what I'm gonna do, I guess I can't keep going any further. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write a note in the description below. If you would like to make changes to a repository, feel free to use mine. I'll let you know exactly which one to go to, and I will be more than happy to accept your changes so you can go ahead and open up that chest. It looks like we're done for now. And I hope you guys had a great time. If you guys have any problems, please leave comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.